on this magic square for me. Welcome in, everybody. Watch your head, watch your step. Use those handrails. Come on board, come on board. Wait, no, actually don't come on board. Sorry, don't come on board. Come on excited, yeah. It's a boat, guys. Yeah, I'd rather you be overexcited than overboard. Plus, it's the Jungle Cruise, so you should be overexcited than overboard. Welcome in, everybody. Watch your head, watch your step. Use those handrails. Looks like we're getting our last few visitors on board. So once everybody is here and we're all good, we should be about ready to go underwater. Underway, sorry. Underwater was my last one. Yeah, that's beneath us now. I mean, behind us. Yeah, like the boat behind us. Alright, but it looks like we got everyone, so with that, we are clear to get on out of here, folks. Please remain seated. Keep our hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times. Supervise those children. Now, everybody pick up your favorite hand for me and wave goodbye. Yeah, to all those poor unfortunate souls on that dock. Yeah, wave like you mean it. You're never going to see them again. Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah, thank me later. But to be fair, you never saw them in the first place, okay? Yeah, and if you do see them again later, yeah, run the opposite direction. I don't want to be called a liar later. But now that we got that stuff settled and out of the way, welcome aboard, everybody. Welcome to the world-famous Jungle Cruise. My name is Skipper Brooke. I am going to be your skipper, your tour guide, your Viking, your best friend, really anything and everything in between for the next 3 hours, okay? So buckle up. Yeah, we got a long journey ahead of us. That actually started as soon as we turned the corner and entered the Amazon rainforest through the Amazon River. Now, folks, around here it does rain. As we like to say in the jungle, 365 days a week. Yeah, you figure out that math. None of us are good at it. Now, folks, over here on the left, though, you are going to see the lovely, lovely Inspiration Falls. Now, you may be wondering why we call it Inspiration Falls. So, well, you see, the longer you stare at it, yeah, the more it's going to inspire you to go. Oh, sorry, deeper and deeper into the jungle, that is. Now, everybody, that was my number one joke. Don't worry, they told me I can't tell my number two, mainly because that one sticks. But that's okay. What we can do is now enter another river, actually the Congo River. So, you know, while we're here, might as well see how far this boat truly can go. Hopefully far, mainly because I can't really have another Titanic incident. Well, not again anyways, I'm kidding. I would never, ever have a Titanic incident. That would be so bad. No, but I would crash about 10 times in 2 hours, so have fun. Now up ahead though, you are going to see my pet snake. This is Gary. He's actually really nice and friendly. Well, unless you get into a relationship, then believe me, it's a bit constricting, and you don't want to get wrapped up in that. Okay, what in the junk? Oh. Hey guys! Wow, would you look at that? Everybody, meet my in-laws! Yeah, didn't realize they were here today. Okay, that's cool. No, it's not. No, it's actually weird. But don't worry. Just because my in-laws are here doesn't mean they're outlaws. So they're not really wanted. So we're going to keep them back there as we continue our journey into another famous river. Actually, one of the longest rivers in the world. It's the Nile. It's about like 4,000 miles or so, and it does go on for miles and 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 miles. But if you don't believe me, you're probably in. No, guys, no. Why would you be in the water? No, you're on a boat. Oh, and just make sure we're not drinking on the boat. Yeah, it's not that type of Disney cruise as much as my Disney wish or dream it was. That'd be fun though, right? No? Okay. I thought it would be fun, you know. But that might just be me. Now, folks, right over here on the left, though, you do have the lovely, great African Veldt, which has some really cool animals. A wide range of them, actually, ranging from over there to right over here. But my personal favorite out of all of these are going to be the lions. Oh, look! And they're having a zebra for lunch. Over for lunch. But don't worry, guys, I promise you he's good. I mean, he's tired, yeah, like dead tired. So we'll let him rest in peace. He's probably got a lot going through his head right now. Unlike Skipper Felix over here. Everybody meet Skipper Felix. Believe it or not, fun fact about him, today is his first day on the job. And last, yeah, after seeing that. Mainly because he's doing the one thing we told him not to do, which is like leave the boat in the middle of the jungle. Kind of common sense, but hey, looks like he'll get the point. Well, in the end anyway, to never do that again, but what do I know? Now here we are now folks in Croc country. So of course you got my favorite pair of Crocs up on that shore, Smiley and his little sister Ginger. Now you do gotta watch out for Ginger folks, trust me, she's very dangerous. Now the reason I say this is because Ginger snaps. Yeah, she's one tough cookie, but she will crumble under pressure. And now, yeah, I know, that joke was a bit crummy, but I still had to milk it for all it's worth. Now this right here though is the amazing Schweitzer Falls, named after the famous explorer and inventor Dr. Albert Falls. Now folks, you don't have to worry about that one too much. We are going to end up going over it later. It speeds at 45 miles per hour. It's a steep foot drop, and then we end up in the bayou, which is kind of cool. Because, you know, it's just a small world after all. And there's always a great, big, beautiful tomorrow shining at the end of every day. Well, or so I'm told. So that's okay. Now here we are though, in my favorite part of the jungle. It's the lovely hippo pool. Now don't worry, I know some of these hippos might look like they're charging. What they be doing is they cash, and I can promise you they're not hungry hippos. I did see the people from my last trip, so you guys are all good, you're all okay. If you would have came 30 minutes earlier, game over. Yeah, I'm so sorry. You would have been hippo food. So actually, I'm not scared about it. I did have to feed them with something, so just the nearest thing to me. Now, up ahead, folks, you're going to see something really weird. And no, I'm not talking about myself. I'm actually talking about my coworkers right over here that are monkeying around. Don't worry, it's probably just going to drive everybody bananas. But the weirdest part about that is those aren't even monkeys. Those are actually chimpanzees. I would explain the difference. But also, it's just a really long tail. And we do got a really long journey ahead of us. But speaking of chimps, you have a couple more over here. Steven and Nick, who I guess is playing hide and seek at the moment. But once she is out, please keep a close eye on her, folks. Trust me, you do not want to get caught up in that drama. It's a very tangling situation you don't want to be a part of. Now, what you do want to be a part of should be this right here. It's the moment you've all been waiting for. The eighth wonder of the world. Get that side of water! Woo! Oh, 2, 8. Oh, 2, 8. Oh, 2. Hey, just kidding, never mind. Sorry guys. Thought we were all like science people. That is a chemistry joke I tell periodically. Especially when I feel like I'm in my element, but not really gave me a reaction. So that was scary for you guys. So we're just going to move on. And speaking of moving on, here we are in the Mekong River going into what looks to be the resemblance of a Cambodian shrine. Built by Cambodian shriners. So keep your eyes open. I'm just going to close mine. Is everyone okay? You're all good? Cool. Raise your hand if you're not okay though. Okay, one person. 2 people. Okay, I got 2 truthers, the rest of you liars. I know you're lying, it's because you're on the world famous Stumble Cruise. You can't be okay to write this, right? Yeah, that's really weird. But guys, here we are though on the secret bathing pool of the Indian elephant. You can take as many pictures and videos as you want. I promise you all have their trunks on. And right back there, you are going to see a cute baby elephant bathing under a full moon. Isn't that adorable? Sorry, the baby elephant, not the other part. Honestly, that's a rare sight for you guys. Yeah, since the sun is still out. Get it? Because the full moon and the sun not at the same time? No? Okay, sorry. That was weird. Don't worry, I'm going to stop talking now. I'm kidding! No, I would never do that. That would be even weirder. I love to talk. But folks, so, in all seriousness, it does look like our journey in the jungle is coming to an end, which for you guys is a little sad because you have to leave me. But for me, it's pretty cool because here in just a few short moments, I got to kick you off the boat. Guys, don't freak out. No, I'm not actually going to do that. No, they said I couldn't do it anymore. Oh, which is weird because I saw a kid tickets just for like 2 hours ago. But hey, they can do it and I can't. Make that make sense. But it's fine. What I can do is show you a lovely gift shop right over here. Because what would be a world famous Disney attraction without its gift shop? Now, a little fun fact about this gift shop is it's very different from all the others. Mainly because it's the only gift shop on property. You can't really buy anything. So you're welcome. Or, you know, as I like to say, we're saving your money once you're better type. Well, unless you want to spend money, which is fine, you can do that, absolutely can. But literally at any other gift shop, they'll go out to take your money, no plastic back, okay folks? I mean, I would too, but then I would get in trouble, which is weird because I don't even work here. Oh yeah, surprise! Hey, yeah, I don't work here, guys. No, that's disgusting. No, this is court-ordered community service. I'm really just here for my hours because of the incident, which is legally all I'm allowed to say, so, yeah. Oh, don't worry. I promise you, I do have a real prop, not this, that's disgusting, no. It's actually somewhere epic in another universe. They told us an occupational hazard, you know, dragons and whatnot. You didn't hear that either, yeah, I shouldn't have mentioned that. Yeah, well, it's fine. We're not going to talk about it. What we are going to do is, I guess, wait right here because that boat doesn't want to move, which is fine. I guess we're in I-4 traffic. Although we're in the jungle, which is weird, but that's okay. But what we can do then while we are waiting is just stay seated for me, okay, folks? Keep our hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times and supervise those children. Now, I do have to let you guys know this. I don't know if you do know this, but out of all my cruises today, you guys have been one of them. Congratulations on making it back because we're not there yet, and a lot of habits is here and over there, so. But hey, it looks like we are going to get you out of here, which is great. But it's also scary. For you guys though, because this is actually the scariest part of our journey here today, folks, and I know it wasn't me being your skipper, although I am very scary. Okay, no, but the actual scariest part is getting you out of here because it's your time to return to civilization. Trust me, it's scary. It's also a jungle out there. Now, I know we say it's a jungle in here, but out there, even worse, especially during a holiday, or parade, or fireworks, or literally any time of the year. It's actually really scary. So, oh yeah, please do this. I didn't think my jokes were that good. But with that being said, folks, there's really one thing left for me to tell you to do. So get out. Good, please, get out. Bye everybody, watch your step, use those handrails. Make sure you exit the same way you came in for me, okay? No crossing over the creeks in the center. Trust me, crossing.
Your step, use the handrails.
Use those handrails, watch your head off.